today we're playing the game of which Birchbox is best. It can almost be a tongue twister, but I have been sick, so I haven't been able to do videos like I probably should have. And so I have 2 Birchbox, and I also did 2 Ipsies, and I'm gonna tell you which one is best. And you put in the comment section which one do you think is best of these 2 boxes. We'll have, this is Birchbox A and this is Birchbox B. So put in the comment section which you prefer of these boxes. Birchbox is a monthly subscription service that sends you samples and beauty items, and it's $9.99 a month. It used to be awesome. It's gone way downhill, but anyway, let's see which is best. So first of all, this I think was the February box, and it has a bunch of X's on it and then 1 O. So X's and O's for Valentine's. Follow your heart. And here are the items in this month's Birchbox. Okay, so we have, this is color correcting primer from Ipken. So primer is always nice. Then we have a little bit of perfume from Pink Sugar. Let's see how it smells. It's actually not as floral as I was expecting with the coloring, and just, I don't know, I thought it would be really like floral, but it's actually just very classic. If you want like just a classic smelling perfume, this would be a good one. I like it. It's nice. It's not too overpowering. It's not one that'll punch you in the gut. Okay, then we have Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Ice cream. Then we have Ouya leave-in conditioner. This is good. I use a ton of leave-in conditioner because my hair is super long and it gets very curly. And then finally we have a gel liner from Smashbox. This is called Fishnet, and it's a black eyeliner pencil. This is actually one of the best Birchboxes that I've gotten in a long time. I mean, pretty much every item is pretty good. I mean, the eye cream maybe I wouldn't use really all that much, but I think this one's pretty solid compared to some other months. But let's see how box A compares with box B. Here we go. And this one has sort of purple flowers on the cover. And the theme is finally spring. Okay, so we have Ouya Straight Away Smoothing Blowout Cream. That's good. I don't straighten my hair very often because it takes so long, but I'll still probably use that. And then we have from Glam Glow Super Cleanse. This is a cleanser, so that's good. And then this is from Sugar Gaze. So this is from Sugar Glaze. This is a Winky Luxe Glazed Lip. So let's see here. It looks really cute, I have to say. There you go, some nice lip gloss. I always like it when they give you these neutral colors that that aren't so strong. Okay, then we have Ultimate Volume Mascara. This is from Nano. I don't wear mascara very much, but I have lots of friends who do, so I can give it to them. Okay, then the last thing is from Tokyo Milk. This is another perfume. It's called Dark. So let's see, I hope I can separate it from the other perfume. This smells very masculine. If you like a masculine, more like cologne, then you'll like this. It's really different than the other one, the other perfume, which was more feminine. It smells kind of woodsy. So yeah, different. So that's this box. This box has the lip gloss, the smoothing cream, the perfume, the mascara, and the cleansing gel. So I definitely prefer box A over box B. But let me know what you like better. Which box? Box A or box B? Put it in the comments section. Let me know. And if you're interested in subscribing for Birchbox, I'll have a link down in the description section. Check it out. And thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.